Types of love: what love means to different people. The notion of love is as diverse as the people who encounter it. Across various cultures, ages, and individual journeys, love appears in countless variations, each with its own unique subtleties and importance. Whether it's the intensity of romantic attraction or the strength of familial connections, love spans a wide array of emotions and interpersonal ties. Exploring the myriad viewpoints on love unveils its intricate nature and profound layers, providing valuable understanding into the subjective meanings of love for different individuals. 1. Romantic love. Frequently portrayed in literature, art, and popular culture, romantic love epitomizes fervor, attraction, and emotional intimacy. It encapsulates a profound yearning for connection with a romantic companion, coupled with sentiments of yearning and fondness. Rituals of courtship, grand gestures, and shared dreams often accompany romantic love, symbolizing, for many, the epitome of affection, evoking sensations of joy, anticipation, and contentment. 2. Familial love. Familial ties encompass the relationships woven among relatives, spanning parents, siblings, and extended family members. Grounded in shared history, experiences, and biological lineage, familial affection represents fidelity, assistance, and unwavering embrace. It stands as a steadfast foundation, providing comfort and a feeling of home amid life's challenges and victories. Acts of nurturing, selflessness, and steadfast dedication epitomize familial love, nurturing bonds that endure beyond time and distance. 3. Platonic love. Platonic fondness entails deep camaraderie and affection among friends, free from romantic or physical allure. Characterized by mutual regard, empathy, and emotional nourishment, platonic affection surpasses societal standards and assumptions. It nurtures companionship, mutual interests, and a feeling of unity, enriching individuals' experiences with profound connections and long-lasting friendships. Highlighting emotional closeness independent of romantic involvement, platonic love honors companionship rooted in shared respect and encouragement. 4. Self-love. Self-love, also known as self-care, involves tending to one's own welfare, self-worth, and happiness. It encompasses fully accepting oneself, recognizing both strengths and weaknesses, and placing importance on personal development and satisfaction. Practices of self-compassion, self-care, and self-acceptance form the foundation of self-love, fostering resilience and inner peace. Prioritizing self-love is crucial for maintaining emotional balance, resilience, and nurturing positive connections with others. 5. Altruistic love. Altruistic love reflects a selfless commitment to compassion, empathy, and concern for the well-being of others, regardless of personal benefit. It includes gestures of kindness, generosity, and understanding toward strangers, acquaintances, or even those considered adversaries. Altruistic affection goes beyond individual concerns, embodying a wider philosophy of interconnectedness and empathy for all humanity. It nurtures communal ties, social unity, and overall welfare, playing a role in creating a more compassionate and understanding global community. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.